Welcome back, guys, to another video. In this video, what I want to go over with you guys is probably one of the most important things that you guys can know as traders, and this is using the dollar index. Now, what the dollar index is this is a specific currency pair for the US dollar. Now, I know that there's a lot of currency pairs on the market like Euro USD, there's USD JPY, NZD USD, USD SHEP. Now, what the dollar index does is it actually tells the strength of the US dollar itself. You guys can see right here, I am on TradingView. You type in DXY and the US dollar currency index will pop up. And you guys can see it's just like any other chart. You can monitor the trend that it's in, whether it's at a key level of support or resistance. And what I want you guys to notice is I have my 200 EMA set up right here. And every time that it goes and hits this EMA right here, the market completely reverses. Came down here, the market reversed. Came down here, the market reversed, reversed right here. So maybe what we could see pretty soon here is maybe price could go up to this point of resistance and then drop down. But how we actually use this tool is we're just going to mark it up just as we would on any other currency pair, and then we're going to correlate our analysis with a currency pair that has USD in it. So let's say this is where we expect the market to go, and then we could see a reversal. So obviously if the market is in an uptrend, that means that the USD is going to have more power in itself. And then if it's going in a downtrend, that means that the dollar index is not doing as good. So we can see that it might have some power pretty soon here. Actually, this could be a head and shoulders pattern forming right here. So what we could do is get our head and shoulders. Find our left shoulder. Here's our head. And our right shoulder. And then I'm going to bring it right below to previous support right around this level. And this is actually a very big key level in the market right around this zone right here. Okay, so that's what we could see play out very soon. I am looking at the dollar chart right here. And also what I want you guys to notice as well is look at yesterday's daily candle. It kind of was like a doji / hammerhead candle. It came and hit the 20 length moving average. So maybe we could see a drop down pretty soon. We are going to have to wait till 2 p.m. in the next 2 hours. This daily candle is going to close. So we're going to see how that plays out. And that is a huge thing that you guys need to be focused on when you're trading, is watching how the candles are closing and how they are opening, especially on the daily candles. So right now we have some upward movement for the US dollar. What I then do is go to like Euro USD and see how the dollar index is correlated with the actual currency that we're going to be looking at. So as we're looking at Euro USD, let me remove all the drawing tools. Okay, so look at the dollar. So look at this point in the market right here. Like I said, they could see some more momentum for the US dollar. So again, maybe we could see this market drop down to around right here. Let's mark it up. Right there's where I expect the market to go. And then we could see a reversal happen pretty soon here. So we could see a reversal down to this point in the market. I'm actually going to go look at USD JPY and see how that is playing out. Okay, looks to be a buy market. Can grab our trend line, kind of do a little markup on this. There we go. Okay, so maybe we could see a break at this point of resistance, meaning that the US dollar is going to have that. Maybe it could come up to this range right here and then drop down. And this is a big point of resistance in the market that once before was support. You guys can see it was support in the past. So maybe it could come up here to this resistance level and then break that down trend line and completely tank all the way down here. So really using the dollar index, guys, let's go back to it. It's really just finding what the market is doing, how the US dollar is performing, if it's going to be effective in a positive way or negative for whatever currency pair that we're using. But I just wanted to show you guys this. It is very crucial when you guys are actually trading, because sometimes you want to see how the dollar is actually performing instead of going to a pair like Euro USD and just basing your analysis right off the bat and saying, oh well, Euro USD is going up, but we actually don't know the actual effects of the US dollar. But guys, if you have not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you could. I'm going to be always dropping more knowledge like this. At least 4 videos a week is what I am aiming for. As well with that, guys, we do have our educational courses. We have our 7-day trial to our group chat below in the description. And as well with that, you guys can connect with me on social media. Instagram is definitely my main platform that I am using. But guys, thanks for coming on this video. I will see you later.